Oh dear god, not again.
Why? Why do we have Shinano in midway? I hate Shinano in midway, and our AA is shit because, well, the AA doesn't have much already. Our secondary something is they have though, but still. And Super Yamato is not that great. I mean, the accuracy is okay though. I mean, the accuracy is great. They got big guns. They're 510 millimeter or 520. Yeah, because of the bigger barrel, we can't have this gun depression. I think. Got detected for some reason. Destroy us. Well, showing a slight broadside. Bob, come on. Spot enemy ships. Good, good, Bob. Bob, spot a Super Yamato for me. $11. Good hit. Oh dear god, don't tell me to turn left. And I go to right. Everyone go to the right side for God's sake. I need to turn the gun around. Oh dear god, did they get hit by our fighters? Yeah, they sure did. Okay, we need to avoid Shimakaze. Stay together the better. Yep, the Shimakaze is most likely dead. I mean, the secondary of this thing is so scary. Jesus Christ, I need to kill Midway. I like the gun sound this thing though. Three citadels on the Midway. That's how you deal with American battleship. I mean, American carriers using 510mm guns. Cool. Good hit. Oh shit. Tun Takao. Okay. A bit laggy. I don't know why, but oh, you're dead, I guess. Or maybe not. Or maybe you are. I see dropping torps. Dropping torps in the middle. Okay, we need to kill Yamato first. He's angling though. I don't want to kill him while angling. Oh wait, I forgot that this thing can overpen. Come on, give me a juicy citadel. Okay, one shell. What? Okay then. Okay, our mission is to destroy escort. Yep. I want you to escort Yamato. That's your job. Jesus Christ. Okay, now we don't need to turn left. All I need to do is shoot this Colorado. Nope, that thing just hit the island. Great. Whew. That was a big shot. I wonder how many damage it did on the midway. Because it's pretty much very sure that that thing is full HP. Jesus, 566. Not as much as Yamato though. But to be honest, Jesus Christ, midway 67,000. That is actually his full HP. I'm speechless. This thing can delete chips in one single salvo. It's not bad. It's not a bad chip, I should say. But I need to get that juicy health. I think crew efficiency will improve. Will improve like some of the time. I mean, this is okay. This is not a bad chip. I just did a freaking delete and a carrier. I think these are all 100%, right? Oh no, it's not. 99%.